Hi, welcome to the class. Today I am going to discuss rules of double entry system. So double entry is nothing but in any transaction consist two side effects. For instance, we are purchasing assets. So in this transaction, we are able to know the two side effects. One is we receiving the assets and giving the cash. So this is the two side effects we are recording in any transaction is called as a double entry system. Any transaction shows the two side effects, like what I said earlier, examples. So we are all aware of the golden rules of the accountancy, or under the classification of accounts, personal accounts and impersonal accounts. Here we are taking personal accounts, and under the impersonal accounts, real accounts and nominal accounts. So today we are discussing personal accounts, real accounts and nominal accounts. So personal accounts consist rules what we were discussed in previous session. Under that, personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. And real accounts, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And third one, nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So based on these rules, we may be classifying some of the entries based on the rules, because in any transaction consist two side effects, and one is a debit, another one is a credit. So now let me know the how we are passing the entries in regarding the transactions. Number one, cash paid to Sunil rupees 200. Transaction, cash paid to Sunil rupees 200. So here Sunil received the cash paid to Sunil rupees 200. Sunil receiver. So, according to personal account rules, debit the receiver, credit the giver. In this transaction, Sunil is receiver. So, we will make the entries like this. Sunil account data. Sunil account data 2. So see the transaction, cash paid to Sunil rupees 200. Sunil received the amount. So based on the personal accounts, we are given the Sunil account data. Another one, credit. Here there is no any specific person give the money. So only goes money in this transaction. So Sunil account data to cash account. Sunil account data to cash account because Sunil received the amount and cash goes out. So that's why we are make the journal entries like this. Sunil account data to cash account, being cash paid to Sunil. So this is the first entry. And next one, amount received from bank rupees 1000. Amount received from bank rupees 1000. Here who is giver? Bank. So amount received from bank rupees 1000. Based on the personal account, who is the giver? Bank is giver. So what comes in? Cash comes in. So we are make the journal entries like this. Cash account data. Cash account data to bank. Cash account data to bank account. Cash account data to bank account. And next one, purchased machinery rupees 20,000. Purchased machinery rupees 20,000. These two transactions, I am giving the example of the personal account. These two transactions, giving the example to the real account. We are all aware of the real account, always talk about the assets. So here also they are mentioned assets. Purchased machinery rupees 20,000. Purchased machinery rupees 20,000. So what is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. What is comes in this transaction? Machinery comes in. So entries purchased machinery rupees 20,000. Machinery account data. Machinery account data. Machinery account data to cash. See the transaction. Purchased machinery rupees 20,000. Based on the real account, debit what comes in? What comes in this transaction? Machinery. Based on the real account, credit what goes out? What goes out in this transaction? Cash. So based on that transaction, we are make like these entries: machinery account data to cash account. Machinery account data to cash account. See next one, sold furniture rupees 10,000. Sold furniture rupees 10,000. In this transaction, based on the real accounts rules, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit what comes in, cash comes in. Goes up furniture because sold furniture. Sold furniture. So here make the entries. Cash account data. Cash account data to furniture account. To furniture account. Cash account data to furniture account because sold furniture rupees 10,000. Cash account data to furniture account. We have sold the furniture, received the cash. So goes out the furniture. That's why we are passed the entries like this: cash account data to furniture account. And next one, these two transaction, example of the nominal accounts. We are aware of that nominal accounts always talk about expenses, losses, incomes and gains. So see the transaction. Rent paid rupees 2000. Rent paid rupees 2000. Rent is expenses. Whether individual or any company's institution, rent is expense. So what is the rule of nominal accounts? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So based on the rules, see the transaction rent paid rupees 2000, pass the entries. Rent account data, rent account data to cash, rent account data to cash. And one more example, discount received rupees 500. So discount received rupees 500. So based on the nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So in this transaction, we receive the discount. So it is a incomes and gains. That's why we are passing the entries cash account data, cash account data to discount, cash account data to discount account. So like this we are passing the entries discount received rupees 500, discount, suppose discount allowed or it is a expenses or losses, but here discount received. That's why we have passed the entries like this cash account data to discount account. So in this session we are going to learn based on the double entry system, golden rules of the accountancy, personal accounts, debit the receiver, credit the giver, real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out, nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So based on these rules, we are past the journal entries, all these transactions. Thank you.